Hello, let's look at creating a folder to use for a specific class and sharing that folder with your teacher. You probably already know how to do this, but this is the formatting that we should use when creating these folders for our class. You're going to go to your G Drive or Google Drive. You're going to create a folder. And in that folder, you are going to rename it with your last name, your first name, the class, the hour of that class, and the year of this class. Okay, for example, it'd be church, comma, Al, colon, English 1, comma, first hour, 2020-2021. And then you share that with your teacher, and you would share it in the normal way. Let's take a quick look at how all of this works. You know how to go to your Google Drive. If you don't, in your classroom, you have this grid of 9 little squares. Click this. These are your Google Apps, and you will click on Drive. This is your Google Drive. Everything you've created from when you started school, when you first got this drive, will be in here. It will likely be very messy. Okay? So, what we're going to do for each class. If your teacher would like you to do this, I want you to do this. I know the other English teachers want you to do this. You're going to click on You, and you're going to make a folder. So click on Folder. And remember, it's last name. So my last name is Church. Our first name, my first name is Al. And then a colon. This will be for English 1. And then we'll say this will be for first hour. So I'll just put first. And then this is for the year 2020 through 2021. I hit create. There is my folder. It is now created. So we need to share this folder. I can just right click and choose share. Or if you're on a Chromebook, use 2 fingers to click and click on share. Then I type in the name of the teacher I want to share it with. We'll say I'm in Mrs. Mapes' class. So I will just type in her email address or click on her name and then click send. And now your teacher has access to this folder. Now inside of this folder, this is where you create everything for that class. And the top here has your name, has the class right there. Okay, this is your class folder. Whenever you create a file, say you're going to make a paper, it's going to ask you, is this a shared folder? Of course it is. You just shared it with your teacher. You're going to create this file, and the very first thing you do with every file, of course, is to name your file. It is hard to find something when you're looking through your drive and you have 700 documents called untitled document.